Okay, next one, quantum numbers. We are discussing quantum numbers, na students. Okay, na? So what is the use of quantum numbers? My question is, what is the use of quantum numbers? Say, what is
It
the
has
correct?
been tracking the position of the
See,
electron.
very good. For what we are discussing any topic, that topic importance we have to remember. Okay, na? Here, quantum numbers. Quantum numbers are used to know complete information of electron in the atom. So what is the use of quantum numbers? To know the complete address or complete information of electron in the atom, we can calculate or we can identify by using quantum numbers. In that, any doubts? No doubt.
No,
Okay,
sir.
now, here, how different quantum numbers are used to know complete information of electron. Now we will discuss. Okay, na? We have 4 quantum numbers. Na? Out of 4 quantum numbers, first 3 quantum numbers are the result of Schrodinger wave equation. Already I told number of times. Once again I am telling. First 3 are results of Schrodinger wave equation. Next one is it is independent of Schrodinger wave equation. Okay, na? Come to first quantum number, that is principal quantum number. Symbol n. Principal quantum number symbol is small n.
So shell number and principal quantum number is nothing but same.
Wait. Listen, this principal quantum number, later you ask, Ramara I think asked it out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Principal quantum number was proposed by Niels Bohr. Who proposed it? Niels Bohr proposed this principal quantum number. Okay, na? Here, n values are starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Or with letters like K, L, M, N, and so on. This principal quantum number signifies size and energy of the orbit. Size and energy of the orbit. Now, this n is nothing but shell number. Say, now what is your doubt, ma?
Sir, is there any difference between principal quantum number and shell number?
Principal quantum number, shell number means just we will write numbers or letters. But this quantum number is used to indicate shell number as well as with respect to size and energy also we can explain by using that number. With respect to that number, we can say its size and energy also. So that is the use of this principal quantum number. This principal quantum number gives information about different shells only or different orbits only. So that's why actually there is no much difference between principal quantum number and shell number. Nothing but whatever the principal quantum number you take, that we will get. That is we have to imagine shell number is also same. Say for example, n is equal to 3 I am taken. N is equal to 3 means what it indicates? Its shell number is 3. But in addition to that, what is the size and what is the energy also we can calculate. What is the size and what is the energy also we can calculate with respect to this quantum number. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please write down as it is, ma. Proposed by Niels Bohr. See, in examination, they will ask significance of quantum number. Significance of quantum number means compulsory you have to write this point. Without this point, if you write proposed by Niels Bohr, represented with n, starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 or KLMN. Without writing this point, if you write anything, it is considered as wrong answer only. Significance means significance only you have to write. Okay, na? Significance is important. They ask in examination significance only. So size and energy of the orbit is governed by which quantum number?
Principal quantum number.
Principal quantum number.
Principal quantum number.
Like that they may ask the questions. Please write down the proposed by Bohr. N values are starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 are KLMN. Size and energy of the orbit. Write down one more point. With increasing in size, with increasing in n value, size and energy also increases. With increasing in n value, size and energy also increases. Now please observe carefully. Next I will ask some questions. You have to answer all that questions. Okay, no? Regarding quantum numbers. Why? Because quantum number concept is one of the important concept for subjective as well as objective examination. Okay, no? Yes, completed children. With increasing n value, size and energy also increases.
Increases.
Correct. Completed, Tanisha.
Yes, sir.
What is the next one? Azimuthal quantum number. Second one. Okay. Azimuthal quantum number. This azimuthal quantum number was proposed by Sommerfeld. Not Sommerfeld, Sommerfeld. F-E-L-D, not F-I-E-L-D. Sommerfeld. Listen, ma. What about L values? L values are depends on N values. L values depends on what? L values. Okay, na? But L values are starts from 0 onwards. L values are starts from 0 onwards. That is equal to L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Up to N minus 1, L values are possible. Okay? Based on this, in objective examination, they may frame different types of questions. What are the different types of questions? See, he will give different sets in options. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 3, N is equal to 4, L is equal to 3, N is equal to 4, L is equal to 4, N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. So these are the different options. In these options, he may ask the question like this. Among the given sets, what are the possible sets? What are the possible sets? Okay, now, how to check that sets? Now I will explain. Please listen. Here, what is the n value? What is the L value?
3.
So, if n values and L values are same, it is incorrect statement. So, wrong statement. N values, L values should not be same. Okay, na? See here, n value is equal to 4, L value is equal to 3. Is n values and L values are same?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
L value is less than n value. So this is a possible set. N values, L values should not be same. And another condition is L value is always less than n value. L value is always less than n value. Okay. Next, is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? N values
Both
and
the
L
values
values are same. So it is not possible. Very good. Next, is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why?
L value is less than N value.
L values are not same, as well as L value is less than N value. So that's why it is possible. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? What is the mistake in this?
Is greater than n value.
Very good. So that's why only these two are possible. Now are you clear? Should not do mistakes while you are doing this type of.
So if n equals to 5 and l equals to 3, sir, we can take.
Possible. See, n value, L value should not be same. L value always less than n value. 0 is also possible. If you are taking n is equal to 5, that I will write, you don't worry. After this, I will write. Okay, na? L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the use of azimuthal quantum number? You told the use of principal quantum number is size and energy. What about azimuthal quantum number? Please remember, azimuthal quantum number signifies shape of the orbital. Signifies what? Shape of the orbital. Azimuthal quantum number signifies shape of the orbital. Suppose if L is equal to 0, I am taken ma. The possible orbital is s orbital. This fixed ma. By heart modulate me. L is equal to 0, s orbital. S orbital shape enama? Spherical. Next, L is equal to 1 means p orbital. Its shape is dumbbell. Next, L is equal to 2. Its shape is, sorry, d orbital is possible. Double dumbbell. L is equal to 3 means which orbital? Ma? F orbital. Okay, na? Complex structure. Complex means difficult or fourfold structure. So these are the different types of L values and their possible values. So L value is equal to 0 means which orbital? S orbital. L is equal to 1 means p orbital. L is equal to 2 means d. L is equal to 3 means f orbital. So and their different shapes. Okay. Next, please write down up to here.
Sir,
Yes.
so why does n depend on L, sir?
N depend on L means different orbitals. Why? Because see, in the structure of atom, where the nucleus is present,
At the center of that.
okay, na? At the center of the atom, it is composed of protons and neutrons. Okay, na? Next, around the nucleus, what we have?
Electrons.
Shells are present, or orbits are present. Circular paths are present, na? That are called shells or orbits. In orbits, at a time you cannot say electrons. Generally, up to Bohr's atomic model, what we can say, we just he said shells, but he did not say about subshells. Okay, na? So in around the nucleus, shells are present. In shells, subshells are present. In subshells, electrons are present. So that's why we have to use different types of numbers. Shells we are using n value. Subshells we have to use a different value. Na? If you take same as like n value, you may get confusion. So that's why n values and l values should be different. Okay na?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Use. Next, write down one more point ma. Right. The angular momentum of an electron in an orbital. The angular momentum of an electron in an orbital is equal to h by 2 pi root of L into L plus 1 is equal to, I repeat, the angular momentum of an electron in an orbital is equal to h by 2 pi root of L into L plus 1 or h cap into root of L into L plus 1. H cap means h by 2 pi value we can take as h cap or h bar. Now Anisha asked one doubt now, why n values and l values are same. Now you can understand easily by seeing this tabular column. Has completed this one. H by 2 pi is equal to L plus 1.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
So what stands for H bar?
H by 2 pi value I am taken as H bar. That's all. At a time, instead of by calculating this value, I am taken as this one. Angular momentum. Already in angular momentum we discussed where Bohr's atomic model na MBR is equal to NH by 2 pi.
Yes, sir.
If n equals to 0, then that S subshell is always empty.
No problem. What happened? L is equal to 0 means you will get 0 only. And that is for S orbital. Wait. You can understand easily now. Okay. On tabular column, n value, L value, subshell. N is equal to 1. L is equal to what? If n is equal to 1, L is equal to 1. 1 is possible.
No, sir.
0.
0. Very good. 0. So I will write 1s. Do you have any objection? This one as it is I wrote ma. 0 means which orbital?
S orbital.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, orbital.
This is about the first shell. Next, come to n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means 2 L values are possible. What are the 2 L values? One is 0, another one is 1. Clear? If n is equal to 0, sorry, L is equal to 0, n is equal to 2 means it is a 2s. Shall I write 2s?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is what I have to write.
2p.
2 as it is mark. So 0 means S orbital, 1 means capital. Okay na? Next, n is equal to 3 means 3 L values are possible. What are the 3 L values?
0, 1, 2.
Very good.
0, 1, 2.
0. Very good. 1, 2. Notations can you say? 3s.
3US,
Yes.
3D.
3P. 3D.
Very good. 3s, 3p, 3d. Easy na? Next, last one. No? 4s. Sorry. N value 4. How many L values?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay na? Next 4S, 4P, 4D, 4F. Students.
Yes, sir.
These are. Just completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Next, magnetic quantum number.
Sir, what is the meaning of azimuth, sir? So, what is the meaning of azimuth?
Azimuthal means subshell only. Subshells.
Okay, sir.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
It is not scientist name. It is in another language like Greek. Generally, we will use Greek words, na? Like that.
Yes, sir.
Greek words, German words, we will use. So that is subshells. Nothing but azimuthal means subshell. Related to subshell. Next, ma, what is another quantum number? Magnetic quantum number. Okay. M. So this magnetic quantum number was proposed by Lande, scientist name. Proposed by Lande. Listen. M values are depends on L values. M values depends on what? L values. So how depends on M value means L value means, please remember, for a given M, 2L plus 1 M values possible. Okay, how many M values are possible? 2L plus 1 M values are possible. Say for example, L is equal to 0. Yes, L is equal to 0. How many M values are possible? 2L plus 1 M values are possible. For L is equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 1. Yes, Tama.
1.
For L is equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 1. That is equal to 1 M value possible. That possible value is 0. One M value possible na? What is that M value means? 0 you have to say. Illangre simple technique enandre. If L is equal to 0, M is compulsory 0. If L is equal to 0, M is compulsory 0. How you are getting L values? We are getting L values. Sorry, we are getting M values by using the formula 2L plus 1. So if you take L is equal to 0, we will get one M value. What is that M value? 0 is M value. The possible value is 0. One more example, no need to worry. L is equal to 1. How many M values are possible?
3
3.
2 into CC. 2 into 1 plus 1. 3 na? What are that 3 values? My question. One value is possible na? What is that value means? 0 you are saying. Here 3 values are possible. What are that 3 values? Very
0, 1.
simple.
0 and 2.
L is equal to 1 is there na? Plus 1 to minus 1, how many possible values are there? That all we have tried. Say plus 1 to minus 1, all possible values. Plus 1 to minus 1. See, better to remember.
Minus 1.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Like that. Here, plus 1 to minus 1 means what are the possible values?
-1, 0.
Plus 1, 0, minus 1. 3 values possible. There are 3 aita. Idu one value, idu value, idu value. One value, first value, second value, third value. There second value 0 na. Like that. Here possible value is 0. Are you clear what I am telling? We
Yes,
have
sir.
to require 3 values. The 3 values are what? We are including 0 also na. Here directly we have to include 0. If L is equal to 0, M is compulsory 0. If L is equal to 1, we will get 3 M values. What are the 3 M values? Plus 1, minus 1, 0. Or plus 1 to minus 1, how many possible values are there? That is the answer. Next, if this one we have to say. If L is equal to 2, L is equal to 2. How many M values?
5.
5.
M is 2
5.
into 2 plus 1 5. 2L plus 1 alva. What are that 5 values? My question is what?
2, 1,
Yes,
0,
2,
minus
-2, -1, 0, 1, 2.
It includes 0 or not?
include, sir.
Includes.
Very good. Includes. Say 2 ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಂದ 2 ಓಕೆನಾ plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 ಓಕೆನಾ next L is equal to 3 M is equal to 3 into 2 na 7 na? What are that 7 values? Plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like this. Please write down. Minutes.
Sir. Sir.
Hello?
Sir, what is significance of magnetic quantum numbers, sir?
In still not completed, right? First write this. I will say, okay na?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
If you are completed, I will try to say. Students completed?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Completed.
Okay. And now, significance. What is the significance of N? Size and energy. What is the significance of L? Shape. What is the significance of M? That is your doubt. Okay, na? See, M values are depends on what? L value.
Value.
L indicates what? Subshells. Energy of that is
Yep.
type of subshell. Okay, na? This magnetic quantum number signifies. Write down. It signifies orientation. Orientation means arrangement. Orientation of orbital around the nucleus. Orientation of orbital around the nucleus. It signifies orientation of orbital around the nucleus in a given space. How it is arranged, in which geometry it is arranged, that we can say by using magnetic quantum number. So, general question one more I am asking. If L is equal to 5, what are the possible M values?
-5 to 5.
Minus
-5 to +5.
plus 5 to minus 5, all possible values. Like that you have to say. Okay, na? If L is equal to 0, what is the M value?
0.
0.
0.
0.
Only 0 or compulsory 0?
Compulsory 0.
Okay. Any M value includes what number? Whatever.
0.
Now are you
Zero.
clear? Any M value you take, it includes compulsory 0. 0 from starting onwards. Na? 0. Here 0. Here 0. Here also 0. So that's why whatever the M value you take, it includes compulsory 0.
So again 0 with -1 and +1 also.
Ma?
So 0 with -1 and +1.
0 with +1. +1, that is secondary, +1 +2. Compulsory, whatever the orbital you take, whatever the subshell you take, you will get 0, na? That is I am telling.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. I think you don't have any doubts regarding this one. If you know L value, irrespective of this formula, 2L plus 1, you can say possible M values, no doubt. Very good. L is equal to 0 for which orbital, ma? S or P or T?
S orbital.
S orbital.
L is equal to 1, na?
P orbital.
P orbital.
That you have to remember. Okay, na? Next, last, spin quantum number. Spin quantum number.
The magnetic quantum number shows any magnetic property, sir.
Magnetic quantum number means it is related to magnetic property only, na?
Sir, how?
Magnetic property means electron is charged particle, na?
Yes, sir.
Any charged particle, according to classical mechanics, it is act as a magnet.
Yes.
Means attractive. Magnet means attractive properties, attractive and repulsive properties. That is called magnet.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na? Next is spin quantum number. Yes, small s small. Proposed by Uhlenbeck and Goudsmith. Smith, not Goldsmith. Okay, na? Proposed by Uhlenbeck and Goudsmith. Represented with S or MS. Seema, please listen. What you know about Earth? Rotation, about rotation. What you know about Earth? Seema, Earth revolves. You know, Earth revolves around the sun as well as what? It revolves around its own axis. Earth revolves around its own axis as well as revolve around the sun. For this best example, in Wonderla, like musical chairs, it is rotating like this, as well as it is also rotating itself. That is that I don't know that game exact name. Okay, na? But I enjoyed a lot based on this principle only. Three members in one place, mama. It revolves around that center of the nucleus as well as itself also. I don't know what is the name of that game. Okay, na? See here, electron we know very well revolve around the nucleus. How electron revolve around the nucleus? Electron revolve around the nucleus as well as around its own axis, like Earth. Okay, na? Whenever electron revolve around the nucleus, two revolutions are possible. What are the two revolutions? That means it may rotate or it may revolve in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Suppose if electron revolve around the nucleus in clockwise direction, we have to say its spinning value is plus of. Spinning value is plus of. Electron revolve around the nucleus in anti-clockwise direction. Its spinning value is minus of. That means any possibility may take place. That is electron with clockwise direction or electron with anti-clockwise direction. Generally, electron with generally in how we will write electrons in boxes, students, according to your lower classes. Electronic configuration box method you will write. If you take one
One
box,
in clockwise, another one is anti-clockwise.
one is upward direction, another one is same direction or opposite direction.
Opposite.
Opposite direction.
This one you will write.
No, sir.
Okay, now what we will write? We will write like this.
Opposite.
Opposite direction. That is, spinning should be opposite. So if electron revolves around the nucleus, like in this direction, we can say it is positive value. In this direction, we can say negative value. That's all. That two values you have to remember. In objective examination, they ask this question only. What are the possible values for S? He will give different answers. We have to choose either plus of or minus of. That's all. Okay, na? Please write down. We have to discuss few questions, few formulas. Proposed by Uhlenbeck and Goudsmit. Write down, no? Spin quantum number indicates direction of the spin of the electron. Means significance. This is only spin quantum number indicates direction of the spin of the electron. Direction of the spin of the electron.
Sir, repeat once more, sir. Indicates.
Spin quantum number indicates direction of the spin of the electron. Okay, na? Write down. If electron revolves in clockwise direction, write in bracket like this. Clockwise direction means write in bracket like this. Clockwise direction. It is represented by plus half. It is represented by plus half. And anti-clockwise direction. Write in bracket like this. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction is represented by Okay, minus half. Okay. So this is about quantum numbers. No? Please prepare and come this prepare and come for tomorrow's class. This quantum numbers not completed class. Still 6 minutes we have time. In that 6 minutes time, I want to explain one important information to you. Please observe.
Sir, by what letter it is represented, sir? Spin quantum number.
Spin quantum number represents the spinning of the electron. Means it is rotating in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction.
Okay, sir. Sir, by letter, how should we indicate, sir?
Yes, yes. I wrote now in bracket S, small s.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes he will give ms also. MS, M small s.
Thank you, sir.
Listen, ma. This is very, very important. Almost structure of atom we concluded. Na? So final explanation. This is what, ma?
Nucleus.
Hospital symbol.
Nucleus.
Huh? It's not a hospital symbol. Nucleus. Okay, na? These are what?
Shells. Oh,
Shells.
Very good. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, na? First shell has a subshell. You know, first shell has subshell. That is 1s. One is there, one as it is a subshell S. Second shell has how many subshells? 2 subshells.
2 is 2.
2s, 2p.
2p.
Okay, now for all these, I will give formulas. How you are getting formulas means I have to again explain now. So that's why I have time now. So that's why I am telling to you. Next, here, ma, third shell indicates how many subshells?
3D.
3s, 3p, 3d.
3D. Next, this is 4s,
4s, 4p, 4d, 4l.
4. Okay, na? Here, 3 important formulas I will say. Number of subshells in a given shell is equal to n formula. Tomorrow I will say that formulas. You just remember now. Number of subshells in a shell is equal to formula n. Number of subshells in a shell is equal to n formula. Say for example, I am taken second shell. Second shell. How many subshells are present in second shell? 2 subshells. That is equal to n. Now, what are the 2 subshells? Here.
2s and 2.
Artha number of subshells in nth shell is equal to n formula. Andre, he will give in question n value. Calculate number of subshells in 5th shell. What you have to write? 5 you have to write. Okay, Nama?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next. Number of orbitals. Number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square formula. Orbitals under boxes. Number of orbitals in a shell is equal to n square. Suppose I want to calculate the number of orbitals in second shell. Calculate number of orbitals in second shell. So idರಲ್ಲಿ n value how much? 2.
2.
2 square
4.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4.
4.
I have to prove now that 4. S orbital means how many boxes?
1 orbital.
1. 1.
P orbital means how many boxes?
3 orbital.
Total how many boxes?
4.
4.
Achha. Okay na? Number of shells is equal to n. Number of subshells is equal to number of shells n. Number
N.
of subshells n.
n square.
Next,
Orbital.
number of orbitals n square. Number of electrons 2n square. S orbital occupies 2 electrons. P orbital occupies 6 electrons. So 2n square apply ಮಾಡಿ. 2 into n square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So
8, sir.
So these 3 formulas very, very important. Number of subshells is equal to n. Number of orbitals is equal to n square, number
N
of
square.
electrons is equal to 2n
2n
square.
square.
N square to 2n square. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will say all these formulas. Okay, thank you. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir. Thank you, sir.
No doubt, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Formulas.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ask.
sir, what are the subshells present in fifth orbit, sir?
What are the
Subshells present in fifth orbit, sir.
5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 5g? Actually, we don't have that many shells, na? 5 should be, but non-subshells are only up to f we have. Okay, na? That is only we have to remember. Actually, 5g is not yet discovered. Why? Because up to 120 elements space we have na in periodic table. For that 120 elements space, what we have subshells, including electrons, that are enough. 4f orbital, 5f orbital. 5f orbital is the last orbital. Na? Up to that only we have. So if they may ask, you can write G. Otherwise, our discussion is only up to fourth subshell. Okay, Nama?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
They won't ask 5. Up to discussion is 4 only. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.